Hey guys, welcome back to my video introducing you, Miss Gina the singer. And this is why it takes me so long to get ready. And by the way, I'm singing Señorita by Camila Cabello Chamendez. Anyways, let's get into this damn video. Now, I already placed on my base, I placed on True Match Foundation and also this new NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. And guys, it's not bad. I actually like it as of now. So what I'm going to do is set my face with this NC25 MAC powder. I feel like this MAC powder covers up pretty well, but it also lets your skin breathe. What do you guys think? Has anybody tried this one before? We're just going to pat it in and make sure everything is set because in the summer it's hot and it's sweaty, so I want to make sure everything's going to stay on and not slip and slide. You feel me? And of course, you guys know me and my Hoola bronzer. We're going to bronze our face, contour our face a little bit, ta-da, and right into the contour, we are using this brown taupey color. I'm going to give myself a nose job, per the usual, and get a little fluffy brush and blend it out. You don't want to make it obvious, so blend it out, sis. Now, I'm taking some of this eyeshadow to bake my high points a little bit. So on the bridge of my nose and under the eyes, this also helps me brush away any fallout when I do my eyeshadow. Now, in the center, I'm going to brush out the powder right there because I notice if I leave it on too long, it actually enhances my dark eyes, my dark bags under my eyes. So that's why I brushed that part off. Going into our eye look, we're going to take this pretty brown color, placing that in the crease of our eye, blend it out nicely. Just know that I take off half of the blending part because blending is crucial, but it takes a long time as well. And what better color to put on our eyes than a bronze champagne color to make our eyelids pop. Like this is summer, this is like a summer sunset color, okay? We're gonna place that in the center of our eyelids and also in the inner corners. And I started packing it on with my fingers because I felt like it just works better that way. And now I'm gonna mix both of these colors to darken my crease a little bit. Of course, you can use whatever color that will darken closest to your skin tone, but I'm using both of these, kind of mixing it, playing with it a little bit, and also taking those two same colors, placing it on my lower lash line to make a bigger eyeball. Because you know your girl's got some small eyes. Blend it out, sis. And the reason why I'm brushing all of this out now is because I don't want it to bake any more on my face. So I just want like a medium highlight, not too much of a highlight, but this is how you do it. Leave it on for a little bit and then take it off. I'm going to do my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. Bam. And we're back. Going in with our Anastasia dark brown duo powder. I'm going to create these flawless, big, fluffy eyebrows, which takes up a quarter of this video. And I just want to show you guys a good amount of it because I don't add this into my videos. I like to brush and flick until I get the right shape. It takes a bit of time to fill in my eyebrow to get the perfect shape that I want. So even though I'm showing you guys a good bit of this eyebrow routine, it's still not half of the work. And if you guys want a separate eyebrow video, just let me know in the comments below. Right now, I'm filling them in and making sure they look natural. So in this video, I decided to contour my eyebrows with foundation instead of concealer. And the verdict is, don't do it. Use concealer, sis. Because the foundation is too liquidy and it's not very concealing. Duh. That makes sense, right? Anyways, I'm going to carve out my eyebrows, clean everything up with this foundation. And we're already onto our lips. I'm going to contour my lips with Candy K, because you guys know that is my favorite lip liner. Sometimes when I edit my videos and I I have to watch myself put on stuff and I make the ugliest faces. Eee. Tag me on Instagram and show me your ugly faces. Going in with this new lip gloss called Jouer, which I haven't worn before. At least I don't think I wore this before. Jouer, peachy, glittery. They have huge glitter specks in there and it's so nice. It's super shimmery, super summery, and I really do hope you guys like this look. I'm gonna just slab this on because I felt like this is the cutest look for summer, being all bronzy and glossy. Just slab it on, guys. Slab that thing on. Bow. Last but not least, let's go in with some highlighter. I'm going to take this center color, or center highlight right here, placing on the bridge of my nose. And then I realized it didn't really do much. So I'm going to go ahead and pick another color. Let's try this one. And there we go. I'm going to pack it in, smooth it out a little bit, and place it in the inner corner of my eyes. You know, I'm really disappointed that Bretman's palette didn't work. Isn't as, I don't know, pigmented as I thought it would be, but, you know, I guess it is what it is sometimes. I could have used something else. Anyways, I'm just going to pack this on until I get the highlight that I like. And last but not, oh, just kidding. This is last but not least. We're going to go in with Tarte Fearless Blush, placing in the center of our cheek to give us a little cheeky color. But of course the sun's going to do that by itself already, so you don't have to put too much because it's so hot outside. I smile to know exactly where to place my blush. Makes it easier. Oh, and just to be a little extra, we're just going to put some highlight on our shoulders. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye!